Hi guys, I'm Dr. Drkerynjohnson here, Quantumbiologist.
And the founder of Quantum Technologies Ltd, where science meets the soul of nature. We've discovered how light, hydrogen, and the wisdom of the bee can unlock the body's ability to heal itself. Our flagship brand, Obehave Empowering Healing, uses quantum-activated royal jelly proteins isolated out of Manuka honey for skin regeneration, the relief of pain, and to restore balance back into the body at an atomic level. Now we're inviting you to join us to back a New Zealand innovation that's redefining healing one photon at a time, putting the power of healing into people's hands. Together, let's empower the world to remember its own light, the light within.